Alright folks, it's been a while since we've been visiting with you or whatever. Our last video has 2 views, so obviously no one's super sad about it. This week we're doing a blossom. It should be delightful, it's quite easy, and here is what it entails. We're going to start off with 1 part pineapple juice. Two parts lime juice. Pow, 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 pow. And then we have 4 parts of white rum, everyone. Right? White rum. Did I say 4 parts? I meant 8 parts. But I'm doing 4 of the taller part of the jigger to make it, you know, double. You get it. Madam? Put some ice in this bizzle-boo-boo. Put some ice in it. Ice is nice. Ice. And so is rice. Then you gotta shake it up. Pour it into a glass, obviously. Ooh, what do you think of that? That just looks like a thing.
Bravo.
Now, I would recommend with this, automatically, the first thing that comes to mind is putting some sort of, like, decoration on it. Like, if you have pineapple slices, I think it would be really cool looking to have it, like a little pineapple ring off the edge. You know, just to be sassy, cute, and cool. Alright, we're going to try this blossom. Huh. That could use more sweetness.
Ah!
I feel like you could double the pineapple juice. And
is that rotten pineapple juice? No. Oh god, no, it's just a terrible drink.
The pineapple juice tastes fun.
Oh.
Here's what we're gonna do.
Oh. It tastes like stomach acid.
Yeah. Yeah, it does. It's at the amount that it says to use, it tastes like real acidic. I think you should either switch the lime juice and pineapple juice measurements, or just add a lot more pineapple juice. I just added just a bunch more pineapple juice. I'm gonna try it.
Is it still terrible?
Oh, it's still really rough. Not recommended. Screw this drink. We'll hopefully do it. I mean, these drinks are all kind of terrible for the most part. Right? Like, this is old-timey. This guy loves, like, real thick booze, and that's half the point. So, wish us luck as we down this disgusting beverage. Till next time, which, based on how often we've been posting, who knows.